Okay, so I'm at what we call Big Mama. This is set the foot of this oversized hill. I don't know if you'd call it a mountain if you were further, but I'd call it more of a very high hill. So I'm going to take you up with me. So let's get started. Hi. As you can see, we're still in woods. It's a beautiful path, beautiful morning, beautiful sky. Now there are several trails, as I had mentioned before, within this park. Nice trails. I mean, and you can overlap trails if you really want a good workout, because all of them offer something different, something more challenging. I think this one here is really the most challenging. It's not as long, but I used to come up here with my grandbaby and then bring her through backwards. Anyway, I'm not going to talk too much more because we're going up. Here we go. It's hard to see because I'm looking at my camera. You can't really see the steepness that this hill is at, but I'll be able to check out more when I download it. Yep. We're almost at the top. It didn't take too much at all. I'm telling you, since I've been off the salt, this shit is a whole nother level. Lungs stretch. I'm not having to force them. And I can take deep enough breaths till I get enough. And I'm keep moving. Legs are not tired. And wow. And I haven't been out in a minute. So this is really good. Really, really good. I can't wait to see the results after being consistent with my running to see where I can really go. Because like I say, I'm not tired. And even though it sounds like I'm out of breath, I'm really not. Because normally, even in my best shape, when I come up that hill, there was no talking. No. You know, that hill seemed a lot longer than it did today. So that just tells you the condition our lungs are in because of the salt eating. The salt eating is detrimental to our health because it tears down the lung tissues, tears down the stomach tissues. That is the cause of aging. It has nothing to do with natural aging. It has to do with the consumption of salt. So getting off the salt is crucial. Totally, all salt. Sea salt, all salt. And I'm going to demonstrate that. I have to. So anyway, we are almost out of here. I had a nice run. I feel so good. My sweat, I take a tad of salt. And that's to be expected because I can see where the salt is. So, but nearly no sweat, but I'm feeling a nice cool breeze. It ain't like you dripping. We're not supposed to drip. No. That's the body releasing all that salt, which creates that. But when there's no salt for the body to release, that water just circulated like it would be in a radiator. You're going to lose some, but not as much as we tend to lose. So, yes, nature, gorgeous. All the energy. And as you see, this trail has a lot of what we call booby traps. You got to be focused right here and now, because we call it getting your card if you fall. I've almost got my card a couple of times, but I've never fully fallen. I do my best to stay in the moment, especially when I'm going at fast speeds. And I used to go around here really fast with my trail partner's children. So yeah, we're out here full force. You see more on us. We're later in the day because most of the females come out here. They're corporate, but they're coming out here. And on the weekends, you'll see us. But you really see the Hispanics, the Mexicans, up in here. They're in all the parks. And I'm going to take you around to the other parks that I do. Let y'all see how we do it here in Texas. Yes. This is one of the best, and believe it or not, it is located in the heart of South Dallas. Oak Cliff. Oak Cliff. Renamed Duncanville. Still Oak Cliff. DeSoto, and the rest of it's still Oak Cliff. Because of all the trees. Now you see a lot of pine trees down here. Beautiful cypress trees. Yes. So, it'd be nice if I can get a camera to where I can actually position it on myself and you can enjoy the run with me. For those of you that like that sort of thing. But basically this was just to let you see where I like to come to re-energize amongst the trees and the nature and the animals and all that great stuff. Yes, all the great stuff. All the little booby traps. There'll be roots. We had this one person come through here talking about snakes. Who to call us? The roots. She's calling the roots snakes. Isn't that some dumb shit? Yeah. Well, you get dumb folks up in here. So, anyway, here's another little avenue. I call it my exit. I like to run down this, so pardon me. Yeah. Now, this is where we began, where we came out, and we are headed out. Yes. Nice workout. Now, when I reach out, I'm gonna go back and check out my partner. Make sure he's okay. Yes. So, here's a little, we used to be a park bench, but that fills up with water too sometimes. But this is October. We've gotten a lot of beautiful rain fall, this fall, all summer. The rain has been coming beautifully. So we are really green here, very green for October.